Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. We've got a 2015 Jeep Wrangler. This was a deranged vehicle before, so a lot of toys on the vehicle. We've upgraded it to this Kenwood 9-inch screen. So it's the 80AXS. As you can see, it's that unit there, so it's the whole dash replacement panel. Also, the dash panel across the top works with the steering wheel controls. What we've also done in this is we've put a reverse camera, so if we can pop it in reverse, we can see behind the vehicle there. Okay, so there's the camera. As you can see, it's up underneath the wheel well. Gives a really good view behind the vehicle, so you can reverse better. Now, what we've also done is a front mounted camera. So on this, so that's the location of the front camera, mounted in the grille. If we go into the normal screen and click camera, we've now got the front mounted camera on there, and we've also then got the split view button. So if I press that, this will then allow us to cycle through the different images. And then obviously if I go into the normal menu and then back into my CarPlay or whatever I want to do. It's a fantastic unit for most vehicles. So for further information on upgrading your vehicle to have an Apple CarPlay system, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.